Hi! In front of me is ONEPLUS 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this ONEPLUS. First of all, you need to open an app that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on Home button. Now you can open the other one right away, or just stick with that one. Either way, when you're ready, click on this square button over here and click on those three dots at the top right corner of your app. Now tap on split screen and click on one of your apps from here, or select the square button and tap on the previously opened one. As you can see, after that I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards or downwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!